circular hole of diameter 30 mm is drilled through a vertical cylinder of diameter 50 mm and height 65 mm. The axis of the hole is perpendicular to the VP and meets the axis of the cylinder at right angles at a height of 30 mm above the base. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder. Given data and conditions. Cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 65 mm. Resting on base on HP. Circular hole of diameter 30 mm is drilled centrally and 30 mm above the base. The axis of the hole is perpendicular to VP. Draw the reference line XY and mark VP and HP. Use 2H pencil. Since the cylinder is resting on HP on the base, first we have to draw the top view of the cylinder. Draw the base of the cylinder of diameter 50 mm below the XY line using 2H pencil. Divide the circle into 8 parts for indicating the generators using 2H pencil. Name the points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H for indicating visible top circle and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 for indicating hidden bottom base circle within brackets. Mark the dimension of the circle using H pencil and with the symbol pi. Then draw the front view of the cylinder by projecting the axis point to the XY line and from there take the length of 65 mm above the XY and draw long chain thin line to indicate the axis line. Then project all the generator points of the base circle to the XY line and from there project to the axis length. Name the points on the bottom and top face of the cylinder in front view with dashes like A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash for top surface and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash for bottom surface. Mark the dimension of the axis length with H pencil and complete the front view of the cylinder. Since it is given, a circular hole of diameter 30 mm is drilled centrally at right angles, draw a circle of diameter 30 mm on the axis and 30 mm above the base in the elevation using H pencil. Then we have to mark the points on the circle as follows. Draw thin line passing through the tangent to the circle on both sides. Mark the points on the circle starting from the tangent point and then mark on the points where the vertical generators meets the circle and name it as P dash, Q dash, etc. Then we have to first draw the development of entire cylinder without considering the hole and then have to mark the points in that development and highlight it. Draw the stretch out lines in front view parallel to each other from top and bottom base of the cylinder, taking distance between them equal to axis length. The length of stretch out lines is equal to perimeter of the base circle pi into diameter of circle and it appears as rectangle. Then divide the stretch out line drawn into 8 equal parts to indicate the generators and mark it as A, B, C, etc. for top side and 1, 2, 3, etc. for bottom side. Then project all the points marked on the circle to the corresponding generators marked in the development except the points on the tangent line. To obtain the points on the tangent line, first we have to locate the tangent line on the development and then we have to project those points on this line. For that, find the distance between the projected line and base point and mark it on the developed surface. Repeat the same steps for other tangent point also and mark it on the development also. Then project the points from front view on this marked tangent line in the development and name it. Now join all the marked points in sequence by freehand by a curved line to get the required development of the circle on the generators of the cylinder.